Good morning. My name is Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I would like for you to subscribe, like, share, and make a comment if you would like. I'm going to show me designing my vanity room. My vanity room is something that just came out of the spur. This is a room that initially I would just go in, come out, go in, and just put any old little thing in this room. But I decided, I want to utilize this room just a little bit more. So I decided to make it a vanity room. Um, just something with things I already had, and just design it into a way I can just use it to do my makeup and just utilize it more. I just wanted the opportunity to utilize it just a little bit more than what I was doing. Good morning. This came out of nowhere. I was just sitting on my chair and I decided that I was going to change this room around. It's already like my workout, storage, clothing room. That's what I call it now. I usually just come in here when I want to get something and I leave out of here. But I've decided to change it around. I got some time where I can do that, and I want to make it a little different. And I want to change it around before I paint it. I know it doesn't make any sense. I'm kind of backwards in that type of way. But I want to make it maybe more of a where, I come in here and I just do my makeup, think, and I don't know. Let's just see how it comes out. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we'll see. Hey y'all, this is how my makeup desk look now. I've made a little bit of changes, not a lot, but I just wanted to show you the difference. I've removed my printer, I moved a lot of things. Now I do have shoes up underneath here, but this was actually a work desk that I had. I had this work desk for so many years, and I just didn't want to get rid of it, and I didn't want to buy a makeup desk, or I'm not sure what you would call it, but I made this instead, this glass desk instead, into a makeup desk, and I really love it. It's got the mirror and all with the lighting, and look, I can pull this out, and I have all my makeup here, my lighting, and I use this as my makeup desk. So anything that you might have around the house, like a desk that you're not using, you can always turn it into something that you can utilize instead of it just sitting maybe in a closet, in a shed. I mean, you can just turn it into something that you need it to be, that you need it to be, instead of just going out there spending unnecessary money. And this is what I basically did, and I really, really love it. So here is my mirror, and what I added some lights. Let me show you. Here you go. You see it? Added some lights. It's so pretty. See? It's everything I need. So you can always turn a normal desk into your beauty desk, where you do your makeup and all that wonderful things that we ladies like to do. Or, you can turn it into whatever you like. But I decided to turn my desk, my work desk, that I was no longer using, and turn it into my beauty desk to do my makeup. Like I said, I can just pull that out whenever I need it. This is where I used to have my keyboard at, but now I have decided to put my makeup there. And whenever I need it, I just pull it out. There is a bit of an overcast outside, but I want you to get a full picture of how my beauty desk came out. Well, if you want to call my vanity. I'm getting ready to go to the park. Park is called Finlay Park. Now this is the old park. I first went to this park back in 1996, and after that, maybe once a year. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, they have made changes. They updated it, so I'm interested in seeing the updates and all, just to see what all they did, what changes they made. Yeah. And then afterwards, I'm gonna come home and clean my refrigerator. But yeah, I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park first, not afterwards. Because if I go to the park after I clean the refrigerator, I'm not even gonna want to go to the park. I'm gonna want to stay home. So I'm gonna go to the park first, and then I'm gonna come home and clean the refrigerator. Or I might not, or I might just do one and not the other. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's so confusing. There won't be this won't be behind. There won't be inside. Pick inside my mind. Had to clean up all her mess. House on fire. Break the chains, I'm coming through. Try to catch me, lying fools. Ask me twice, won't blink my eyes. 'Cause this is my life. I fucking thrive. Ride or die. Peek inside my mind. Bring my lights with me too, babe. See, I'm the saint of play pretend. I'm gonna walk away with my head up straight.
to clean up all her mess and burn that vintage dress. 45 till I die. Wow, I set my house on fire. Break the chains, I'm coming through. Try to catch me, lying fools. Ask me twice, won't blink my eyes. 'Cause this is my life. I fucking thrive. Right or die. Bring my life with me to bed. See, I'm the saint of my pretend. I'm gonna walk away with my head up straight.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When that baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
No.